Tired from buying from the store. So, of course, I have my own raspberries now. Blueberries growing in. This is the second round. Strawberries growing in, second round. Potatoes, berries. And there's quite a few. Beautiful. Oi. Oh. I understand that people want to go to the store because things are just so ready right there, you know. It's nice, but also you don't have to do the labor of doing this. But to me, I think it lowers your blood pressure. I mean, you're out here grabbing berries and enjoying that you're going to have fresh fruit. Plus, I can make a blackberry pie. Yeah, so Jackie and I will be talking on Saturday night, and we're going to really start our show. But life is different. I mean, we didn't spend a lot of time in Hollywood. I'd say 4 years max for the music industry. And we just saw things we shouldn't have seen, nobody should see. I don't care how old you are. I mean, to me, everybody is normal. Everybody's a human being. So it's sad when you put a famous person up on a pedestal, because the problem with that is they might give you some ill advice. And a lot of the young people just listen to it. We did when we were younger. Anybody who got up on stage, we were just starstruck that whatever they say must be gold, you know. One thing I never did was ask for an autograph. I don't believe Jackie did either. Maybe she got some, I don't know, but I've never seen her ask for one, and I was around her constantly. But you never know. We'll see on Saturday what she says about that. But, you know, a lot of us, you know, when we're young, we're starstruck. And we want to share quite a few things because we don't want the young people to fail in their lives, their spiritual lives, by seeking fame and taking ill advice and getting into a deep situation where they shouldn't belong. And a lot of these young people, the devil likes to take them out of church. Look young and vibrant, you know, and some people have a unique look. Maybe they look in a more beautiful way, so of course people will come calling for them, and the devil can use that because supposedly Lucifer was a holy name given to him, and he was a holy angel, and he made music. Also, he was supposed to be very beautiful. Wonder where we get vanity from, you know. But it's really sad because if you think about it, we would have been stuck in that atmosphere, and I would have been yearning for this. I would have said, hey, I want to do my own gardening, my own lawn, and I don't want to hire people for that. That's ridiculous. I know this about Jackie, and I can speak for her on this. She was always down to earth, and we both pretty much were. We would drive around Sacramento, and the ones who knew, some of our friends didn't even know because we kept pretty quiet, but some of our friends actually knew. I don't know how they found out, but they knew that we had gone into the music business, and boy, did they treat us differently. And we actually, hate is a strong word, but we hated it because it wasn't something we wanted, really. It really wasn't into our hearts, you know. It wasn't deep down. The superficial part of us wanted to really do music and enjoy it and live a nice life and have some money, but we didn't want to flaunt it and be vain. I really think God saw that. I really do. And I think a lot of people that go into something have a good heart, but they're just on they're on the wrong path. Okay, so look how many I got. I planted a small plum tree, and it looks like I'm getting plums too, by the way. Jackie lives about an hour away from me. I live up in the mountains. Just hoping that everything goes well Saturday. She has a pretty busy life. I think I do too, but I think hers is busier. And her daughter just had a baby, so we've been trying to get it together that we could start our show. So please be patient with us. I think we're gaining subscribers, so that's good. Anyway, God bless you all. I praise God for you, and I thank you for coming back to watch.